Hi guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel to never ever miss any daily updates.
Hello collectors! A new mainline cars from 2023 are here. An upcoming Kool Kombi has 2023 mainline with mooneyes livery with cream interior in 5-spoke chrome rims. A regular version of a new Mercedes-Benz 300 SL in complete red color in red paint job, red disc rims and red base. A new Hotwheels Mopar set. You can check an unboxing episode on Ministry of Diecast YouTube channel. Links in the description. A 1968 Dodge Dart. A 1971 Dodge Challenger. Dodge Challenger drift car. A 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. And the last car is Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR. MiniGT new castings available to pre-order at your local hobby dealer or online retailer starting from September 13th. So let's check our first car, Bugatti Senti DC. Color of a car black. Material made in diecast. Release date December 2022. A LBC Loud Works Lamborghini Aventador GT Evo presentation. Material made in diecast. Release date December 2022. A BMW M4 Competition G82. Color of a car San Paulo yellow. Material made in diecast. Release date December 2022. A top secret Nissan Skyline GTR VR32. Color of a car white. Material made in diecast. Release date December 2022. A Hyundai Elantra N Performance. Color of a car blue. Material made in diecast. Release date December 2022. A LB Racing Transporter set. Includes one transporter and one car. Material made in diecast. Tarmac Works. A new web store drop on 15th of September and 16th to other collectors. So cars are a Tarmac Works 1:64 Ferrari 458 Italia GT3 Pirelli World Challenge 2015 #30. Tarmac Works 1:64 Ferrari 458 Italia GT3 GT Tour 2011 #39. A Tarmac Works 1:64 Toyota Hiace wide body ex Hello Kitty capsule delivery. Tarmac Works 1:64 Nissan GTR Nismo GT3 GT World Challenge Asia Esports 2020 #21. A Tarmac Works 1:64 Old and New 997 Blue in white, decal stickers included. A Tarmac Works 1:64 Vortex Nissan Silvia S14 in white, Lamley Special Edition. Tarmac Works 1:64 Vortex Nissan Silvia S14 in purple metallic. A Suzuki 1:64 Porsche 911 GT2 in red. And the last car is from Ignition model, a 1:64 Phantom R35 GTR in gun metallic. Let's check out some Ignition models. A Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Mine. Color of a car Bayside blue. Material made in resin. Release date February 2023. Ignition Models presents a JS Racing Honda S2000 AP1. Color of a car matte gold. Material made in resin. Release date February 2023. Ignition Model presents a Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Z-Tune. Color of a car silver. Material made in resin. Release date February 2023. Ignition Models presents RWB 993. Color of a car pink metallic. Material made in resin. Release date February 2023. And the last car for today's episode is a Transporter by GCD Models. Hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to subscribe and smash the bell icon so you can stay up to date. I am your host Yash, signing out. See you in next video.